In this video, I'm going to show you how you can redirect your Squarespace domain to another website, whether you are moving to a new platform or simply wants to forward visitor to a different site. So first of all, by default, when you buy a domain through Squarespace, it points to your Squarespace website. But if you need to redirect it another website, maybe a Shopify store or WordPress blog or any other platform, you will need to set up a domain forwarding or a 301 redirector. Squarespace allows this, but it requires few settings to be changed in your domain. When you log in on this website called Squarespace, you make sure you are logged in this website and click on the profile. You will get to see this domain option. Click on that. Right now I don't have any domain, so I will not able to tell you the steps uh, about how you can redirect, but I will give you some steps. You can use these steps for redirecting your website. First of all, you have to log into your account, open the domain setting as I said, and after that in the step 3, select the domain to redirect and click on the domain that you want to redirect. This will open up its settings panel, and now you have to set up a forwarding address. In the domain setting, look for an option called forwarding or domain forwarding. Click on it and you will see a field where you can enter the new website URL. Now enter the new website URL. Type or paste the URL of the website where you want visitors to be redirected, but make sure to include HTTPS if applicable. Now you have to change this, save the changes. Now after saving the changes, you have to test the redirections. To make sure it is working, open a new browser window and type in your Squarespace domain. If everything is set up correctly, it should take you to a new website. So that's it. You have successfully redirected your Squarespace domain to the another website. Thanks for watching.